Hazrat Ibn Abbas and Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd radiyallahu anhum have reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Humran, the slave of Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu, reports that he saw that Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu asked for water to perform ablution. So he poured water from the vessel on his both hands and washed them thrice. Then dipped his right hand into the water and performed gargle. Then sniffed water up into the nose and rinsed the nose. Then washed his face and his forearms, including the elbows, thrice. Thereafter he passed wet hands over his head. Afterwards he washed each foot thrice. Then he said, I saw the Prophet ﷺ performing ablution in the same way as I performed my ablution. And he ﷺ said, whosoever performs ablution as I have performed, and then performs 2-unit prayer, and does not let any thought pass through his heart during, then his former sins are forgiven. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 164.